Not bad there. Up on the tank. This is where the water is with the family. So Denny coming back. See what Denny has. There goes a little fly. I'm gonna catch you in slow motion, buddy. He likes to dip in the water and drink like a little helicopter. We used to watch him when we were growing up all the time. Denny, what you have? Eh? How water you bring?
Water, your juice.
How come you know water boiled every day, man?
You a farmer, man. You a working man. Let me show this.
Castor oil, you don't make it, right? You don't know if you make it?
Never make it.
It's nice, you know? Your garden is very nice, Denny. I think the world would love what you have done. A lot of women want come from far and come stay with you, you know.
They don't come, dear.
They must come, right?
Yeah, man.
And check you, come check you.
Yes.
All right, girls, there's Denny. He's 30 years old and he plants...
Juice, water, lemonade and water.
You make it already?
Yes.
You have ice in there?
Then test it now.
Let me test it, man. Let's test it with the fans.
More lime. You can want more lime too, you know.
Let me check it. Give thanks, Denny. Denny are the king, you know. So Denny plants the garden, ladies. So if you want to come and hang out with Denny, make sure you're single. He's a spiritual man, so no mix-up business. This is Mount Zion. Don't come here, come nasty up the place. The place nice and pure, you see? You want to come into the family, you have to be good. Come here, have to test them. Look at Denny's flowers. Denny plant all of his flowers. Eh?
One more lime.
Let me check it. Hold on. Let's see. Peace and tranquility. So tell the ladies a little bit about yourself. What kind of lady are you looking for?
Honest lady.
Honesty.
Honesty.
You work hard. You worked about 10 acres of land. You plant yams. You don't like the stress? What kind of guy are you?
Nobody likes stress, man.
Yeah.
Who loves stress? Nobody loves stress, man. But normally, they need just an easygoing person, you know what I mean? Easy with life. You really rush things. But if it's a girl, you look for a nice, honest working girl. Somebody will help. Because one hand can't clap as they say, you know what I mean? So you need somebody who will help you. Just as the world going at this woman world, you have to understand yourself as a man too. You understand? Yeah. But on my time, so I don't really rush nothing, you understand? I have some go and do some work, take care of myself. Anytime come, Yeah.
But there's a lot of women abroad wants a natural, organic lifestyle.
But I'm here.
You're here.
Yeah.
You could provide that for them.
Yes.
So if they just come spend a week with you, you're good.
Like, a month, 2 weeks, you need me time.
So I'll give them your number.
It's there. If they find me, they find me.
Give thanks.
Right.
So ladies, if you're nice and you're not dirty and you're clean.
Yes.
Not dirty.
You got me clean. You're
clean.
realize.
You know not the dirty.
No. Dirty make me sick. I don't know about nobody else, but it make me sick. So personally, that's why you see me keep the place like this.
Clean. You don't want a
Yes.
dirty woman.
No.
No drama.
No drama neither.
no
When I see drama, me run.
No disease.
No.
No
disease.
stress.
No stress.
You're a natural, earthy man.
No, yes. No so.
No gossip.
No mix up. No.
No. You're not trying to run after the world.
No.
So if you get married, you can go to States and work, but you'd rather come back.
No, man, I don't live as America.
You're not living in
No.
America. So you want to build a house for her in the mountain and live naturally.
Nice, tropics.
Natural, tropics. Organic.
Yes.
Love, peace, and tranquility.
Yes. Nice reggae
What
music.
gets you upset? Like, what would turn you off to a woman?
Dishonesty.
Dishonesty.
Yes, that I biggest.
If she cheats and
a lie about it and
what if she loves a lot of money? Because this place right here is not about money, you know, Denny. You have to show them what your life is, you know. So them know them are coming.
Life and vanity.
Because you know a lot
Some
of
people make their life about vanity, about the money,
Yeah.
and what you have and what you not have.
Yeah.
Here's not about that.
What is this place about?
Life, basically. You know what I mean? The fresh air where you're breathing, the fresh food.
Would you date an older woman, say 40, because you're 30?
No problem, long as you conscious.
Conscious.
Yes. I
Are you a
understand.
religious man? Are you?
No, I'm not really, I don't call myself basically a secularist. I'm really religious in the world of religion.
Just earth?
Religion divide people too much, you know, understand?
Mm-hmm.
No, really religious. Afraid of the religion thing. Because religion make you segregate, you understand? It group you up.
Yeah.
Me don't want nobody cook me up
Cook you.
or group me. You understand? If today me feel like we play local gospel, you can't tell me say me can't play. Because me a Rasta, me not play local gospel. Suppose me like the music.
Mm-hmm.
Me play my gospel, suppose me want to read reggae this morning. Me play, suppose me feel like me that play local soca this morning.
Mm-hmm.
But I me that.
Do you consider yourself a manly man where you lead a woman, or there's a balance where...
There's a balance.
Balance.
These days are a modern time now. You know really want to control no human life. Or tell them you have to do this and you know what I mean. Things past that now. Woman more, you know what I mean, more intelligent now.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? They work for themselves. They do their things themselves.
Mm-hmm.
You have some woman out there that really need a man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Just as you have some man that really need a woman, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to balance your thing, or you have to balance your thing, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so me September I'm born, you know, me a balanced person.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a Libran. If you look on the Libran side, it's a balanced person that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right? It's a skill at the representative. So you balance. That I mean. Me's a balanced person.
Okay.
Yes.
So you run from the drama.
No man, me not know about you, you know, Kev. Probably you like the drama.
Who, me?
Yes, paparazzi is definitely like the drama. He's definitely.
Do you think I'm a paparazzi?
Yeah, you are.
Do you think I'm a paparazzi?
But that's how you make your living.
No.
And you love it.
No,
Oh,
that's
man,
not
you
how
can't-
no. That's
Alright.
not how I make my living,
Let
Denny.
me tell you, you have different levels.
Denny,
of
I work.
Yes, me
I
know.
work, Denny.
Listen, let me explain and tell you now. You have a different level of paparazzi. You know?
Yeah.
You are the one that may definitely hated in life.
Mm-hmm.
You had the one that may find a middle ground. And you have like the like no, you just see everybody. Something happen down there, so you see them jaw for their phone and they don't really care about the accident, you know, or the somebody foot.
Yeah.
And just that they want to see on their phone.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what does the caring one where we just, you know what I mean? Different level of paparazzi.
Well, I think I would relabel myself. I'm a healer. What you see when I take pictures and I do video like this, the world that I show it to, they've never seen anything like this. So what I am a virtual filmmaker healer. So when I do this, when I'm in the office working, I watch this and it make me feel better. So when people watch my films, they say, Randy, we love you. Because I'm showing them a part of life that's healing. Like you say, this is about life.
So how that taste?
This is the best, man. This lemonade right here, people. The best. You see what I'm sure? I try to show them the experience.
Yes.
So when you see me even feel my ants walking, because me trying to capture nature, for sure them say, you see all the bees there? Me all see a bees, you know. And me see the bees and me try to catch him. For sure, say, oh God, the Almighty creation good.
Yes.
So you see, me's about life. You see me?
Yes.
So me always like to roll my camera, because me bring them go Africa.
Me understand.
You see me? So when people see me, them things say me too much and me too happy.
No, them think he's a paparazzi.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. You know,
that's
man,
why them,
no.
as them see them think, cameras.
But when me all record you, them not even know. Because you see, in order for we to transfer life to the people who need it. Like you say, a woman will see you now and say, boy, if him just brush off him face, mother call him. Because you have a lemon on your face. You rub it on your face.
Yes, it help me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it clean the face.
Okay.
Yeah, a lemon, you know, I know want it good for your nails too, you know, clean your nails.
Yeah.
Yes.
So naturally, so a lot of women,
man.
Denny, a lot of women are going to call you, you know. But we have to know how to pick them out. Because some of them smoke out, them stress out, so them things say them are come at your garden for your healing and say, yes. And when them come and find out so the life, simple, them are going to try to change it and say, all right, make we do this. But my lesson to you is never let no human being, woman or man, lead your peace and tranquility. And that's why I say, Randy, just come through and check the flowers, them. You see me? Cause me need a woman too, you know. But But me too rough, you know. Me too tough.
Too much of a ragamuffin.
Me too tough.
I'm find a woman like this, me alright.
A woman like this?
Yeah, see her, see there?
See there, she beautiful and nice.
Not you.
Yeah, man.
Nice rose, man. Yeah.
Well, the kind of woman I want is a woman who can move with me, can move, me fearless.
me understand with
I
the
can
movement.
sleep on rooftop. And rain a fall and I say, baby, open up your mouth to go drink water. I'm a gangster. You're a soldier. We need a soldier woman. You see me?
Yeah.
You see the academy, maybe say the life nice one. I said, Denny, your life is nice, you know? Hey, look
That's
on
a
your
better man.
you plant all of these, Denny? So what do you get from plant? How do
Planting
you?
these.
What day?
Let me tell you,
when do you
me,
plant your flowers?
Let me tell you, the thing with me, which day me plant it? Me plant flowers any day, any time. Just to base upon how me feel, you
So
understand?
what flowers do for you? When did you start?
Let me tell you, what flowers do for me, I don't know. The beauty are the first thing out of it when me get. And then the freshness, the cleanness. But the first thing when me get out of flowers are the beauty. You saw my flowers different when you look, you see a variety of colors. That are me. One whole heap of different color. You see it.
Wow, a lot of women would like you still, you know.
I hear that,
But,
yeah, say, but you realize how much time you said that.
the reason why I'm warning you, women are attracted to beautiful, shiny things. Your flowers and your life,
Yes.
where I live, is very nice.
Very nice.
So when them come
But
now,
how me not seem to think that way then?
because you've never seen the harsh, dirty world. You've lived here, Denny,
Basically,
for 30 years.
no, not that much.
Hold on.
You know, say you're stressing me.
Is it 20 years?
I'm just in my late 20s. I'm not 30, man. Come on. but to me, you see, even if me at 30 today, let me tell you, see, even if me at 30,
Truth
me
is,
just how me feel. Me no feel 30. Me just how me feel. Me as young as me feel, man. Me want feel, suppose me feel like me at 14 today. Me can go turn on a cartoon and watch cartoon,
so
you know.
Denny, what I'm saying is, you live in a beautiful garden,
Yes.
and your view is amazing. When we're picking out the woman them for you, we have to be careful.
The woman, them, come on, how much of them are here?
Hey, there's gonna be about 20 of them trying to get at you, bro. Look at this. No, I mean because of your you see, you've become a spiritual man
Yes.
at your young age that have elevated your consciousness to flowers. Now when
More
one,
than flowers too,
more
man.
than flowers.
Yeah, more than.
But what-
all right, look on
But this
the
is your work,
food.
Denny.
Look on food.
Let's go check out your food.
Food in my garden. Come on,
You
man.
plant a lot of food. You have herbs. But Denny, we can't allow any woman to come in this family. That's what I'm saying to you. I'm a little nervous now that they're seeing the wealth.
Look. See, pan a banana, pan cane.
Yes.
You see, it's I don't know, flowers no more. Something they have to eat.
Well, you know, one thing that separates you from Patrick is that you extend the flowers. I'm not, look, man. Patrick plant food. You plant food. Blah, blah. Everybody plant food. What makes you special, Denny? You plant flowers.
Come and see the beauty in a heat. Alright, look at the flowers down there.
This one. Look at these that you planted here.
Beauty, man. Beauty.
So this is what women will say, wow, I love this guy. Look at his flowers. This is why I have to watch who you bring yourself. I go protect you, man. I go make sure me filter them too, because a lot of beautiful women out there.
Yes.
But out of the world, brethren,
Yes.
you know, pretty.
Come off birthday.
My grandfather's grave here. Look at the banana that Denny planted.
Yeah.
Naturality.
I'm a ginger flower. What you saying, man? Right, that, man.
You're gonna find a very beautiful, attractive girl, you know.
I'm a ginger flower.
She going to call you, you know.
You feel that way?
Very beautiful. She'll have a PhD now, Denny.
Oh my God.
And she go and leave her job as a doctor to come live with you. But a year and a half into it, she said, boy, you know, Denny, even though I love you, I have to go back into the real world now. Then she come use you for a year just to get the vibe. So that's another thing you have to watch out for. The one they want come use the thing and left. You see me? But that's a part of life.
But let me tell you.
Had the experience
You
with
feel,
them.
but Barry, you feel that me sit down like discriminate against a girl who would do that?
It's not discriminate. It's more like them can hurt your feelings because you think so them are come.
But the simple thing is to do that's why I say honesty in the first place. You come in now and you don't just that number you want. You want to just go get the healing and leave.
Yeah.
Tell me see that you come pan.
True.
So therefore me won't get my feelings attached. You understand?
True.
So me know if I moderate myself. You understand?
True.
So when you leave me won't say Ray and
True.
and she come and left me and gone and
Yes.
So you're straight up which one for me. Then I'm just here for the healing.
Yeah.
And then fine with me. But me not gonna say you can't come here so because you're gonna left.
Yes,
No.
true. Just prepare for that.
Yes.
That's
why I say honesty.
As an uncle, just prepare for that. May I show you?
Yes.
Everybody come and everybody needs something.
Yes.
And in life, what do
if
you
have
need?
It, you give it.
What do you need? What can we exchange together?
Yes.
How much time we have?
Yes.
What is the reality? Be transparent, be honest. That's it.
And I hate that.
And I hate that. And we can all
and then me I
embrace.
use the pickaxe and kill it till you come here and go. You know me?
Yeah, man. The beauty, you've created an abundance of beauty here, my virgin. You know? And here I am focused on Baba when you are the true gem. Look how the beautiful...
Baba is a gem to you now, just you have to see it.
But Baba not plant flowers.
No, in plant flowers, you can't say that.
What Baba flowers are?
All doing flowers the way you see at the gate, this is the first one. Him plant them,
I am start teaching for plant flowers.
Yes, so it in him too, that's why I couldn't able to get it to you know.
Mm-hmm.
But probably
I like
see
that
more
one
than
over
him.
there, that one.
Which one?
The one over there, that... look how close you are to the banana. You can literally touch it. I just took a picture. There's the ants in there. Now, you know, so when I come Jamaica and soon work, this is a work of art. You're an artist. All humans are artists.
Label me an artist for this.
She said that.
So if me an artist, she asked me that.
You're an artist.
Yes,
this is your canvas.
Yes.
So you're an artist. You know, this is your canvas. Look at how you have colors and it brings...
And shape.
Yeah. You combine food with beauty of flowers and... You live in and the bees them love you. I know so the bees them must say
Ants
yes.
Them love me too.
The ants them?
Yes.
Them come through and say, yes, Denny yard. And your grandmother, your great grandmother, she love you.
Yes.
You see me? Because you did for her and your great grandfather.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
So you're chosen, man. You beautify the place and you keep it alive. The people in America would be proud of you.
I really worry myself with it, you understand? When say me I go worried. Me well take care of man.
This lemonade is amazing. So you pick this lime.
Yes.
Everything organic. Yes, my lord. No, the girls I'm going to call you, know.
Say that paparazzi cousin.
Email me, JATalkRadio Jamaica, JATalkRadio@gmail.com. Look at the two cats playing, the little kittens right there. Them just I live life. You see, these are things that I capture. My art is film and visual and photography.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
these are wild.
Them wild kittens?
Yes. The mother have them in the wild and don't belong to nobody. Yes. And you see where they choose to come.
Yeah, you.
Yes. Denny they choose to come.
And them live in the garden.
Yes, all on the house bottom, all about.
They live around
Yes.
you. That's good stuff.
Yes. That's good stuff.
Wonderful stuff here. Beautiful life here we have in Manchester. Well, this is Mount Zion and we don't welcome everybody. Just so you know that. A lot of times people see my video, Randy, where's that? I gotta go. No. Who are you? Let me talk to you. You see what I say?
Yes.
I know listen, Denny, you see on top of my mountain up there, I know everybody are gonna come up there.
I don't want everybody.
No. When you find some place on earth that's beautiful, let me see if I'm strong enough. When you find some place on earth that's peaceful,
Yes.
you have to be careful who you bring there.
Understand.
It's not that I'm fearful or paranoid, you know.
Yes.
Me live in Brooklyn for 31 years now, New York City, you know. Me know what it's like. When a man see this, them say, yes! I have to reach, no! And them come, them sleep one night, and them get up and...
Some people will buy you out, you know, but you see Rasta also.
Rasta no sell out.
No. Can't buy out Mr. Rasta. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more crisp on the line now.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go check on my clothes
Yes.
because the rain is coming.
Yes. I'm gonna put some.
Did you have more? Where did you make the lemonade? Down there?
Me have some. So if you
So you
need
can
it.
put some more in there for
Alright,
me.
then just say that now.
Give thanks. I'm gonna go check on my clothes and finish it my bullet and my red stripe. Sorry, Mama Grave. I'm gonna go check my clothes. I know paparazzi not just life. Them want to see it. If me not bring it, go get them. Them don't have it. And me, them love come, I bring it, go get them. See them? This is flowers and wow, sure. I live life. So we live it. Yeah, man. Let's go check out my clothes. A lady wash my clothes then for me. No. What you say? All that work? Them a do what? Oh, them a pick fall? Which what? Donkey. That's a real thing. Yeah. Who a pick fall? Yeah. Okay, man, I'm going to them still. Yeah, no. Pick fall. What the donkey name? Harry? How long enough, Harry? How you doing, Mom? No follow that.
5 years now.
5 years you have Harry?
Yeah, man.
So Harry no one for stop?
Sometimes.
So what you...
Harry!
So what Harry like to eat? What him like to eat? Grass. So him bring your load. Look like you are one of the only one on there with donkey. How much? Harry. So when Cara come out to the road? So him know where yard where I go? But him will go up the yard? Harry, watch out to the road. Yes, Harry. Yes. All right, sir.
Yeah. Pops! Yes, sir.
All right. So me close them up online. Who that one? Hello? Girl, hello? Are they here? Okay. So me close them, she wash me close them for me. When I don't look for my boxes, you see? Life and journey and beauty and tranquility. And they close them up online, you see? When I see everything dirty Randy. See the life nice. Oh God. I send a donation so I can keep filming. For the life nice, when I say